Hello, welcome back to Easy Click Learning. Today, we're making task tracking more visual with color-coded checkboxes in Excel. Great for to-do lists and project management. And yes, it's simpler than you think. Okay, let's jump right in. Let's begin with a simple task list. Column A contains our tasks, and column B is where we'll add interactive checkboxes. To insert them, we'll use the Developer tab. If you don't see it on your ribbon, just right-click anywhere on the ribbon. Choose Customize the ribbon. Then check the box for Developer and click OK. This will enable the tools we need. Now, click Insert. Then under Form Controls, select the checkbox. Click in the cell where you want to place it, in this case, cell B2. Delete default text. Resize or align it as needed. Drag it down the rest of the column to match your task list. Next, we'll make Excel recognize whether a checkbox is checked or not. Right-click on the first checkbox. Select Format Control. In the Control tab, set the cell link to C2. And click OK. This will return true if checked and false if unchecked. Repeat this for each checkbox, linking them to C3, C4, C5, etc. You can hide column C later if you don't want the true-false values to be visible. Now for the fun part, let's add color based on checkbox status. Select the task cells in column A. Here, A2 to A11. Go to the Home tab. Click Conditional Formatting. Go to New Rule. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Enter this formula. Click on Format. Choose a green fill and white text. Then hit OK. Now, whenever the checkbox is checked, the task will turn green to show it's done. Want to show pending tasks in red instead? Add another rule. Go to Conditional Formatting. Then New Rule. Choose Use a formula to determine which cells to format. Type this formula. Then go to Format. And apply a red fill color. Finally, click OK. You can now hide column C to clean up your sheet. The checkboxes will still work, and the formatting will automatically update as you check or uncheck tasks. Color-coded checkboxes help you visualize progress at a glance, whether it's managing projects, study tasks, or team assignments. And that's it. Your checklist is now smarter and more visual. All thanks to Excel's built-in tools and a little conditional formatting magic. If you found this tip useful, don't forget to like the video, subscribe to Easy Click Learning. Got a creative way you use checkboxes in your workflow? Share it in the comments. I'd love to hear your ideas. Thanks for watching.